Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements and welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the crude oil markets. But just before I start today's video, just want to start by saying, at this moment in time, the markets are incredibly difficult to navigate. We're seeing lots of volatility towards the upside and plenty of volatility towards the downside, that being in the stock market and now the gold market, the crude oil market, as well as today's trading session shows you. So if you are perhaps someone who's new to trading and you're looking for some help, don't forget I do offer my signal service. This is also handy for those who are experienced traders. Sometimes it's good just to have that second opinion. So if you are looking to join my signal service, please head over to my website, dailymarketmovements.com. That would bring you to this website here where you can click on subscribe and you can then join my Telegram signal channel where I charge a very small fee of $29.99. It could be worth it in the long run. But crude oil here, very interesting session. I was just mentioning over on my gold video that for the first time during this correction that we've seen in the stock market, that this session is the very first one where nothing has worked. Prior, when the stock market has been plummeting like it has done this afternoon, I think the Nasdaq's down 2.4%. We're seeing the S&P, the Dow down over 1% now. Normally when that's happened in the past, over the past couple of weeks, we've seen the likes of gold surging. We've seen crude oil surge. As we all know, we hit a new monthly high, a new yearly high, all the way up at $130 a barrel. But during this session, we have seen everything come down. Nothing is working. Crude oil's down, gold's down, the stock market's down. Nothing is working. We're even seeing the likes of wheat, lumber, all that is down. There's a lot of traders out there at this moment in time who are very confused. And the big question for crude oil is, does $100 hold? And I did kind of say the other day that 100 could be the next target, because if we see our fib levels here, that is where that next extension is at 1.618. So yes, $100 should offer support as it's a large round number, but more so $99.50, and that's exactly the low that we got during the trading session. I think we went down to $99.82, so we're about 32 cents away from hitting that extension. But I think this is an area where we will find support here for the crude oil markets. If we did break below there, then I think we go straight towards the 50-day EMA, which is currently down at $94. And if you break below the 50-day EMA, which I do not believe will happen in the short term, then you could see a move all the way down to $80 a barrel. I think crude oil is just going to be trading within this range now for the next couple of months. I don't expect to see any exciting explosive moves like we've seen in the past couple of weeks. I think we will just be trying to trend between 120 and 100, and this is something that crude oil does quite often. If we go back, you will see that for a long period of time, crude oil does tend to trade within a $20 or $30 range. We had 1 year of it there, and if we keep going back, you'll see it happen for even longer. Again, we had a very long period here, all the way from June 2016 to pretty much 2018, so a year and a half there, where we just traded within a $10 to a $20 range. And again, I think the lows here was $80, with the highs being up at $114. So you're talking about a $34 range there for the crude oil markets, and we were trading in this range for nearly 3 years here for the crude oil market. So don't expect to see huge explosive moves like we've seen over the past couple of weeks. Do expect to see the crude oil markets balance out, but that should be seen as a positive, because you'll build up a base, you'll build up support here for the crude oil market. So I personally believe that we do stay above $100 a barrel, and I think that there will be some fantastic money-making opportunities trading within this range.